Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log out of Messenger on Android application. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need just to log in into our application. So we need just to click on the application and open it and make sure that you are already logged in so we can log out from our accounts. So basically, I'm just going to log in to my account. And now after logging in, you will need just to go to your settings. So basically after clicking on the navigation bar, you will find those settings here. And now that we want to log out, we will need just to go to settings. And basically you will see here many or several uh, categories of settings like preferences, services, etc. And those are like the safety one. And even if you go to switch account here, you want to be able to log out from here, but you can add like account and start easily logging in to other accounts. So basically now we will need just to go to account center of Meta, and from here we will be able like to deselect or disconnect our accounts. So basically here we can find where you are logged in, and after that we will need just to have our Facebook account that will be logged out so we can have our Messenger accounts to be logged out. So let's just wait for this page to load, and basically let's just go here, and basically we need just to choose the account. So basically this is my Facebook and we want to log out this one. So basically I will just like select any device to log out, and for example this one, and I'm just going to log in out, and basically let's just log it out from here, and basically just select device to log out and select all and log out, and you will have also your messenger that will be logged out. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.